this is a pattern where I'm going to teach you a technique for creating lace eyelets. If you see this pattern, it is grass leaf lace, and I happen to be using it in one of my knits. So if you see, this is a 8 stitch 11 rows pattern, and eyelets are on peg 1 and peg 5. So I'll demonstrate how we do that. So when we move a stitch from peg 1 to peg 2 and create a hole here, it's called SSK, slip slip knit. But there are two ways of making slip slip knit. This is a technique which basically creates like a pronounced rib. If you can see this, it basically stands out your pattern. So let me demonstrate, and then you will understand better. Now you see it is 8 peg because it's an 8 stitch pattern. We have to make an eyelet on peg 1 and an eyelet on peg 5. So generally the SSK is when you lift the loop and place it on the other one, creating a hole. But no, this one would happen a little differently. You will lift this peg, the second peg, very nicely, slowly pick up the stitch from peg 1 or the peg from where you are making the eyelet, and place this stitch back, and then knit that. There is a plain knit, and now is K2 together, that is knit 2 together. We are moving the stitch from peg 6 to peg 5, peg 5 to peg 4. So if we just pick it up and place it here, it is K2 tog, knit 2 together, but we wanted to make that nice beautiful rib. So pick this stitch, lift it up, hold it in between your thumbs like this, and lift it up and bring it back here and place it back. You have an eyelet peg on peg 5, and on peg 4 is your K2 together, and then you knit 3. Right now we are not worried about, I'm not teaching you a pattern, I'm only teaching you this technique. People generally use 2 picks, they struggle with it and they pull and tug. You don't have to do that, because before this there was I call it easy row. It's just a plain simple row of knits. You knit, you do it, you knit that very loose. So you see, I have this yarn very loosely held. I'm not tightening it, I'm not putting it. So okay, let's go back again one more time. An eyelet on peg 1, lift this, hold it in your thumb, it won't come out, it won't. Zenwood looms are very good and sturdy, it won't slip out. Pick it from the second peg. No, sorry, I'm just doing it wrong. We have to make it here. So let's on peg 1. So let's hold this one, lift the stitch from peg 1, bring it on peg 2, replace the original stitch of peg 2 and stitch it. Then there is one knit, and now we are doing K2 together. The eyelet is on peg 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th peg, and on 4th peg is K2 tog. So you're going to lightly pull it, hold it between your thumb and index finger, and then bring it here. Since your previous row is knitted very loose, you knit, which is, and even now see, I'm not knitting it very tight, I'm just holding it very, and if it is tight, just do it one by one, knit it one by one. So okay, knit 3. One more time. See, I have to create a eyelet on peg 1, but I'll first lift the stitch on peg 2, bring the stitch from peg 1 to peg 2, put this back, and here you go. Do the same thing for K2 tog, but this time the eyelet is your knit is slanting towards right, which means you're going to pull this up, bring the stitch from this peg and place it back here, and here you go. I hope that you understand that. and you can rewind the video and see how I'm doing it. Thank you so much.